On graduation day, Travis Mortley takes a detour down a road he was never meant to find. Something about this place feels off, and it nearly costs him his life. But what happens next defies all reason. Doesn't it? Travis survives, but not without scars. Hardly paralyzed, his anger burns as hot as his confusion. And no one, not even his closest friends, believe his story. After his recovery, Travis embarks on a mission to prove what he saw and find where it came from. But the truth is buried deep and shrouded in mystery. Could it have been a freak accident or something far more sinister? Despite the danger, Travis and his friend Diane are determined to uncover the truth, even if it costs them their lives.